Hello, I'm Lee,
And I'm Wally.
and this is Summer, and we are Three for the Road RV. Good morning, roadies. Hope you had a nice New Year's celebration and are looking forward to the new adventures that 2020 can bring to you. People have been asking us, how do we stay warm here in the cold Utah winter months? And actually, it is so much easier to keep this trailer warm than it is cool during the summer. So, and another thing that we did last winter was that we added the skirting all around the bottom of the trailer to help keep the cold from getting in underneath. And then when we put the skirting up, we put a little space heater underneath there right next to the tanks because we do not have the heated tanks. And so we just have a space heater that runs down there underneath basically all winter long, and it just has an automatic shut off on it. And since we're on a cement pad, we don't have to worry about things catching on fire and whatnot down there. So, and it also has the emergency tip over button on it, so if it gets tipped over for any reason, then it automatically shuts off as well. And that has worked out tremendously. It's almost like a 10 or 15 degree difference underneath the trailer than it is outside. And so with the skirting and that heater, and then what we also do is, since we're hooked up to city water here in this RV park, to keep the pipes from having the tendency to freeze, not only do we have the heated water hose, but we also let the water just kind of trickle a little bit in the tub. And we just keep the gray water tank open and just let it run during the winter months. And then anytime it gets above 35 degrees, we turn it off. But basically during the night, we'll turn it on just so it doesn't have the tendency to try and freeze on us overnight. And that's basically all we have to do. We do have some space heaters inside the trailer that we supplement with our propane, so we're not using so much propane. And we stay toasty, and people have always been concerned about us, and like I was saying, it's so much easier to keep it warm in here than it is to keep it cool during the summertime. So there's that. So today is basically going to explain to you what kind of skirting we went with. We did not use the traditional custom made skirting that you can order for your particular trailer because we just couldn't afford that option. And so I was looking around online and found somebody who had blogged about the skirting material that they had used for their fifth build. And we looked into it, and it was the best option for us as well. So we ordered what they call the vinyl that advertisers will use on those big billboards at the sides of the freeways and roads and stuff like that. And it's a really heavy-duty vinyl tarping stuff. Get them on all different kinds of sizes, and we got one big enough that not only wraps around our trailer once, but probably could do it again 2 times or even 2.5 times if we really wanted to. So we have extra material. The shipping on it was almost as much it was to buy the tarp, but it was still less than $200. And so then we just went on Amazon. Thank you, Amazon. We love you for all that you provide. And we got the grommet kit, and we made our own grommet holes, and we cut the vinyl tarping down to size, and then we also got the plastic hooks and hooked them onto the trailer, and we hang the tarp on those plastic hooks, and it has just worked out really well. Depending on how cold it gets, some of those plastic hooks would kind of come off, because we did all this last year, and so we've had a year of experimenting with it and seeing how we like it. And we ended up having to get the special kind of stretchy tape. I can't remember the name of it, but we got it on Amazon as well. I'll put the links down below. And it's kind of like a rubbery substance that you pull on it and it stretches, and it's like a 2-sided sticky stuff. I'll show you pictures too. where when the hooks had come off in a couple places, we put that tape stuff on there, and it has held up really well. And what's nice about it, it kind of acts like those command hook sticky backs. So when you're done using it, you just pull on it and stretch it, and it just pops right off and doesn't damage the paint or decaling that's on your trailer. And so when we get ready to hit the road in 2021, we can take all that down and bundle it up, and hopefully we won't have to use the tarping anymore, because we hope to chase the sun from here on out, or at least not be in below 30-degree weather anymore for long periods of time. So that's basically what this little video will be about, is talking about that. Also, I am going to be adding a shout out to those of you who want to enter a special contest over at the Cam Patton Family Compound YouTube channel. He is a emergency preparedness expert, I guess you could say, because he's been doing it for years and years. He has worked with the government in all different kinds of capacities, teaching preparedness skills. And he has an awesome channel that if you need any ideas on how to be self-sufficient or to learn emergency skills, he is the guy to go to. Once again, that's Cam Patton Family Compound, and he is running a contest right now for 1,000 subscriber giveaway. And so if you go over to his channel and you mention me, 3 for the Road RV, and tell him you've got his link from me, then I will be entered into that giveaway as well. So not only can you enter into the giveaway by going to his channel and subscribing, but I will get points on the giveaway for sending you over there. So let's do both of us a favor and get new friends and help him out, get his 1,000 subscribers, and subscribe to us as well. We're still brand new. Well, we've been doing this for not quite a year yet, but we've been not as consistent with our videos, and we're still needing our own subscribers. So please share our channel with others, and let's get the word out for all our RV friends so we can grow this community together. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you on our next